Okay, so this is the eMax Sublative RF handpiece. As you can see here, we have 125 pulses. So once we go to ready, and you see it's in ready, the blue light's going to be on the handpiece, so it's minutes ready, and then we can start to do treatment on the skin. Okay, and you can see how the pulses go down. Okay, every pulse you do, the pulses go down. Under this handpiece, we install a reset button. So once we put it and you press, you go to standby, you press on this button and it's reset the pulses again to 125. So this tip is unlimited. The only thing that you're going to need to do is to sterilize it and clean it, and that's it. To take out the tip, you can take it out. You can see the tips like that. Install it, put it inside, press OK, and it's ready to go again. Okay, on the handpiece you can see the redness of the treatments that we did.